How to download YouCut on Android. First of all, open the Play Store app from your app drawer or home screen. Once it opens, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap YouCut in the search bar and press the search button. Make sure you are selecting the correct app, which is usually listed as YouCut Video Editor and Maker and developed by InShot Video Editor. You will recognize it by its orange icon with a pair of scissors. Next, tap on the app name to open the download page. You will see an install button. Tap on it. The app will start downloading immediately. Depending on your internet connection, the download may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, you will notice the install button has changed to open. Tap on open to launch YouCut for the first time. The app may ask for certain permissions like access to photos, videos, and media files. These are necessary for editing videos, so make sure to allow them when prompted. If you want quick access, you can also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and open it from there anytime. YouCut is now ready to use, and you can begin editing your videos with ease. And that's it. Now you know how to download YouCut on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.